Welcome. Today we are continuing with paper 2, question 2. Explain the teachings of Jesus on the qualities of a true discipleship as found in Luke chapter 6, verse 20 to 49. Perseverance in the face of persecution. That is, a true disciple should endure suffering. Unwavering faith in Jesus. A true disciple should have an absolute faith in God. Love for enemies. A true disciple should have love even for their enemies. Especially you're told you should pray for your enemies. Answer 4. A true disciple implements the teachings of Jesus. That is, a true disciple should accept the Lordship of God, the Lordship of Jesus. Forgiving others. A true disciple should love their enemies. Generosity. A true disciple should share with others. Not to judge others. A true disciple should exercise self-criticism before judging others. Show compassion. A true disciple should be merciful just like God. Question 2b. Describe the incident in which Jesus forgave the sinful woman as found in Luke chapter 7 verse 36 to Luke chapter 8 verse 1 to 3. Simon the Pharisee invited Jesus to his house to eat with him. A woman who was known to be a sinner came to Jesus with an alabaster flask of ointment. She started weeping at the feet of Jesus and kissed Jesus' feet. Simon wondered how Jesus could allow such a sinner to touch him. Jesus asked Simon who among the two debtors was more grateful. Simon answered that the debtor who had more was more grateful. Jesus told Simon that the sinful woman had shown a lot of love because her many sins had been forgiven. Jesus told the woman to go in peace, for her faith had saved her. Question 2c. State 5 lessons Christians learn from the incident in which Jesus forgave the sinful woman. Christians should show compassion to all, regardless of their gender, age, and religion. Christians should have faith. Christians should be ready to forgive. Christians should reach out to all, even those who are known to be sinners. Christians should accept their sinful nature and repent. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video you can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.